Digital marketing is everywhere, but most people don't really understand how it works. People jump between platforms, chase trends, run ads, post content, and still get no real results. We created this course to simplify digital marketing and teach it the right way, step by step. In Digital Marketing Basics and Secrets, you'll learn how digital marketing really works, from social media and content to paid advertising, email marketing, and real strategy. No hype, no tricks, just clear concepts, real-world practices, and the professional secrets used by successful brands. If you want to build real digital marketing skills with confidence, this course is for you. Enroll now on Scadme and start your journey today.